Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second Hatchet Dev Diary. I am Chris, joined by Tom.
Yup.
And Cody.
Hello.
And we're going to take you through some of the new changes to Hatchet that we recently released. Plus, we throw some screenshots and whatnot onto the Steam page. But
There's nothing better than some whatnots.
there's some whatnots. So this build is the build that we prepped for the Ohio Game Developer Expo, which was several weekends ago. And it includes a lot of new features, primarily the desert.
That's a really liberal use of the word several.
Several?
Like two.
Yes.
I don't know. There's a number of new features that are going to be in this build. One of which is the desert.
The desert.
We also have home base, but
Which
it doesn't go anywhere.
Look at that.
You can buy upgrades, but not
No.
really.
I tried.
We go to the desert, and we have a whole host of new levels.
Whoa.
That's.
Look at that.
That's too many levels.
It is.
Oh wait, go down. Go down for a second. I like how we go from 6 to 81.
That's
It's
B1.
B1.
Oh, I was close. It looks like an 8 from back here.
This is our temporary list format while we work out an overworld map, which we just had the discussion about today. So we'll be presenting the levels in a different format.
This is our loving farewell to the list of levels.
I'd like to point out that this looks like Krusty the Clown.
Our skull.
Our skull looks like Krusty the Clown.
Yeah.
And I appreciate it.
Krusty is a dinosaur.
Hey kids.
So first up, besides the obvious inclusion of the desert, but we added a new effect that can be seen.
Well, that blue dino
ignore that
is
for a
gonna
second.
show up.
Oh, damn it, we can't see the effect because of the stupid thing. Let's
Oh
restart.
no.
We added a new warping in effect where our robot comes and releases a pulse that shows all of the grid. We'll see that again because it's cool. Victor's very proud of it.
Wow.
Now I just need a sound for that.
Editing
Yep.
Cody, can we get this in slow motion? That was terrific.
Great. And so this is our new desert area. Obviously, it's sandy. We have different assets we've been working on, some new terrain decals as well. Little cracks, little dinosaur guy, some boneses. And then we have our new dinosaur friend. So our friend works by running into him. He runs through the wall and he breaks eggs for us. I'm going to run into him again just for fun. Oh,
He's
no.
a cool guy.
Now you can't win.
Now I can't
Oh
win.
no.
So I'm going to restart. We can see our visual effect again.
You got greedy, Chris.
I know. We also reworked the boundaries of the wall slightly, so now they're a little more visible.
Now you can't win.
I know, Tom. I'm demonstrating things.
I'm demonstrating all of the things.
But I think it looks a lot nicer. Pretty much all of our assets went through a revision, and they look a lot more detailed, and our toon shader works better with them than the previous dev
Wait, no,
diary.
run out of fuel. You're almost there.
Run out of fuel?
Run out of fuel.
All right, go run out of fuel. Go run out of fuel.
Da,
Oh, I ran out of fuel.
da.
Bonk. Oh,
Y'all got scrambled.
retry. All right, so we'll actually finish this level. This level's pretty simple, just to illustrate the little charging dinosaur. And there we go.
Ta-da.
It
Ta-da.
transfers your motion without you having to be there.
Yep. We worked on a lot of lighting effects too. Directional lighting you can see over here with our bush is showing a shadow based on the time of day that we set the sun at. So I actually have no idea how to beat this level. So I'm just gonna
You'll figure it out.
try. I don't think that was it.
Because you mostly designed this game. Mostly.
1
Mostly.
million% of it.
Was that a Aliens quote?
They come
No.
out at night.
They mostly come out at
Mostly.
night.
Nah.
Mostly.
Nah.
Oh,
Nope, you're
No.
done.
nope.
You're done
Nope.
for.
I
Gonna have to
Nope.
bruise one now.
No.
All right.
You can't
Okay.
even bring yourself to do that.
Gonna solve the puzzles.
Anyway, our new dinosaur. We obviously have a seaming issue here that we're taking care of, but we added some animations to him that we're testing out. And I'm going to try. We actually added a new flame effect in, which is right there, and we just changed the flame effect today.
Now it's a blue jet of plasma
It's a blue plasma jet.
Just like in your favorite sci-fi original movies.
How do you beat this friggin' level? Do you know how to beat this level?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Cody, tell me what to do.
My turn. Okay, go down.
Down.
That's not
No,
down.
that's not other down.
You gotta restart now.
Restart.
You gotta restart now.
Down is this way.
Go right.
Go to the right,
Okay, now to the left.
which
Which is
This
the way I
that
came.
way.
That's down.
that's down. Cody.
Okay, sorry.
down,
I'm
Cody.
just gonna do this.
Nomenclature. Don't touch the screen.
I'm not.
That's all we ask.
Now back. In this way.
Yeah, there you
that
got
way.
it. Now
Oh.
you did it.
And then
That
over.
is tricksy.
You're a smart. man.
Ta-da!
You're
It's
a
probably
smart
not right.
man.
Ta-da.
Hey, we're
There you go.
I
extraordinary.
wish I had a roll of Smarties to do for that one.
So here's
I
our
wish I did too.
dusk, the sun setting, and our little dinosaurs doing
It's
everything.
very moody.
So you
I
can
know.
play Hatchet from dusk till dawn.
You can.
Yeah.
Will vampires show up?
I like how we have all of our dinosaurs are in motion the same
Yeah.
time, but we'll fix that little.
Just like
They're trying to try out for the
look, now
synchronous
they're not.
dancing.
Oh, you did it the cheap way.
What's the cheap way? The
what
right,
you just did.
the right way? You mean?
Yeah, no.
The 5-star way.
The other way is 5-star way.
Um,
You gotta get those running
You
dinosaurs.
made them
chain on.
attack.
and here's our night with a slightly improved smoke effect, and we've actually been working on that again, which is not in this
You
build.
did
but
it. You can't get that egg now.
That's fine. I'm just showing people stuff.
It's not fine.
They'll figure out how to do it.
Oh, we don't want to spoil. All
Yeah, we
the
don't want to
puzzles.
spoil. We also have
Spoil
a
the eggs.
We also have a UI improvements. We changed our previous UI just because it was, I don't know.
In the way.
Yeah, it's just in the way of everything. So we just put these here temporarily to get the important information across, but not take up as much space. So
It looks very nice.
we'll go back to the main menu real fast.
Scores still work.
Check out Desert 5. So yeah, we've done a lot of different and more complex, I'm totally going the wrong way, but more complex puzzle designs in the desert. So after you did the jungle, you kind of got used to the easier ideas, but I did it.
Actually, yeah, this level's bugged because you can't avoid bruising.
He was dancing.
This level's bugged, yeah.
For some reason, when you go into the wind and hit the dino from the wind, it hits him twice. It's bad.
We'll fix that up.
I'll fix it.
Fix it in post.
Here's our Oasis level with our water, which is an effect we're also currently redoing. But just overall, we wanted to show some of the new gameplay elements as well, some of the new graphics, and a slightly improved toon shader, and of course our warp-in effect.
Chris,
And
can we
our-
have a level with a horse?
It's the
And
same
then when
level,
people
Chris.
beat that level,
Oh, sorry.
then we can give them an achievement called "I've been to the desert on a horse with no name."
Sure.
Yes, score.
Score. So all of these levels right now, all of these dinosaurs are not in their eggs, and we are going to keep some of them in eggs and some of them not in eggs, and then just to add a little variety. I like that smoke effect. And there's actually a new smoke effect
There is
that is not in this demo as
no
well. but-
smoking allowed.
This is a cool bonus level, but I'm not going to do it just because I want you guys to be able to play. We are looking at trying to get a demo up relatively soon. There's some new things, some cool features we want to add in there. But we should have something playable in the next few weeks for all of our Steam friends.
Don't you worry about it.
Don't you worry about it. Tom, is there anything exciting you want to talk about? You do all the back-end programming, so
Yeah.
a lot of cool stuff you don't really get to see.
Oh, we're gearing up for them upgrades. Oh yeah, we're gonna give the robot be able to change what it's able to do
Yeah.
based on how well you perform and how far you get in the game. So that's gonna take a lot of back-end rewriting to support that, but we're getting there. We're getting there slowly but surely.
Yeah, our upgrade system should be pretty interesting. Since this game we're using sort of the term a puzzle adventure game. the upgrades will play a big role in how you approach each of the puzzles and the levels, and then some levels you may have to come back to after you've received a certain upgrade. And try them again.
There will be better ways to do puzzles that reveal themselves.
Yep. There are ways to access bonus areas that you can only get with an upgrade or through a particularly intricate series of maneuvers to get to the level.
It'll be exploration, not just puzzle solving.
Yep. So this level also, you'll notice we've got some like cloud covering kind of going over. So Victor implemented this to just make the level seem a little more alive, like something was happening.
Ooh, look at that cloud. What does that cloud look like, guys?
I don't know, a dinosaur?
Yeah, it does. It does.
So we'll jump out of this
And a
at the
chorus.
end. Of course, what?
Chorus of dinosaurs.
The course of dinosaurs. So yeah, this is where home base will be, where you can come and buy your upgrades based on how well you've been performing in the game, and then you can use those to.
This menu will be completely different.
Yeah, and then in the next iteration, our UI will look much.
Probably not even gonna be. It's probably not even gonna be a simple menu. It might just be like the inside of Dr. T's ship or something.
It should be.
Yeah,
If I don't hear at least a beep and a boop, I'm going to be very disappointed.
I'm sure there will be beeps and boops.
Good.
Next on the agenda is the tar pits. We're currently white modeling a lot of those and reviewing them. I guess we're reviewing the white models, I should say. But we'll be texturing them and getting them into the levels, and then we'll follow it up with snow and the volcano. So it's coming along. As always, you can visit us at hatchetgame.com. And you can visit our website for multivarious games at multivariousgames.com. Any other thoughts, gentlemen, before we cash out on this dev diary?
Hatchet's cool.
It's a
All
fun,
of the cool kids are doing
It's a
it.
fun game to make and to play.
Well, there you go. Thomas Allenbaugh.
That's me.
If you have any comments or suggestions or whatever, feel free to leave them on the Steam comment section. We monitor them regularly and we'll respond to them if you have questions, or you can put them in the discussion section.
They can be constructive or destructive.
It's
Doesn't
true.
matter.
We like both of them.
We like it all.
All attention is good attention.
And we do appreciate you saying yes on the Steam pages to like
help us
us.
get greenlit.
Yeah, help
so
us
we
get
can
greenlit.
Become legitimate and make all them Steam dollars.
Well put, Tom.
All right.
Well
from
put.
Steam.
I think we've lost the train on this one. So thank you all for another Dev Diary of Hatchet. We'll try to get these out regularly just to keep you all updated on what's going on in the progress. And again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, post them on our Steam page, and we will respond to them in the following diaries, I guess. So I am Chris.
I am Tom.
I'm Cody.
We are Multivarious Games, and thank you for watching.